Have you ever wondered why the vast majority of Americans struggle to reach the $100,000 annual income threshold, let alone become wealthy? In this video, we'll explore the different reasons why 82% of Americans fall below the wealth threshold and provide actionable steps to help you overcome these limitations. The harsh and ugly truth is that most Americans are not wealthy because they lack certain traits and skills that are required for success. Let's dive into the reasons why, but first, please take a quick moment to like and subscribe to our channel and let us know how we can help you in your journey to building greater wealth. Laziness is one of the main reasons why people don't succeed. Many people are content with their current situation and don't put in the effort required to improve their financial situation. To overcome this limitation, it's important to set clear goals and establish a daily routine to achieve them. Create an action plan and hold yourself accountable every day to make progress toward your goals. Secondly, lack of education is another major obstacle for people who want to build wealth. Many people believe that they don't have access to the right resources or mentors to teach them how to invest, budget, and save effectively. To overcome this limitation, it's essential to invest in your education and learn from successful individuals who have achieved financial independence. Visiting our YouTube channel often will provide you with lots of helpful resources to help you on your way. Undisciplined spending habits can be another major hindrance to building wealth. It's easy to get caught up in the latest trends and consumer culture, but this can come at the expense of your financial future. To overcome this limitation, it's crucial to create a budget and stick to it, as well as develop good financial habits such as saving and investing a portion of your income each and every month. Our video on budgeting to build wealth can help you on this point. One of the biggest reasons why people struggle financially is because they spend more than they earn and allow themselves to go into debt for stupid things. To overcome this limitation, it's critical to live within your means, avoid unnecessary expenses, and prioritize paying off any debts you may have. It's helpful to remember that poor people pay interest. Wealthy people receive interest. Many people don't possess marketable skills. This can limit your earning potential and make it difficult to reach the $100,000 threshold for wealth. It's important to invest in yourself and develop skills that are in demand in today's job market. This can include learning new software or programming languages, acquiring industry-specific certifications, or even going back to school to obtain a higher degree, or even learning how to start an online business. A lot of people lack the courage to make the necessary changes in their life. This is another obstacle that prevents many people from achieving their financial goals. It's easy to become complacent and stay in a comfortable situation, but taking calculated risks and stepping out of your comfort zone is often necessary to achieve financial success. Many people simply haven't discovered the things they can do to overcome their limitations and succeed. It's important to seek out resources, mentors, and opportunities that can help you achieve your goals. This could include attending networking events, joining a mastermind group, seeking out a financial advisor to help you create a plan for success, or focusing on our how-to videos at our Make More Money Build Wealth channel and website to help you with specific things you can implement in your life to help you rise above mediocrity and build real wealth. Building wealth is not easy, and there are many different factors that can hold people back. However, with the right mindset, discipline, and action, it is possible to overcome these limitations and achieve financial independence. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more wealth creation strategies. Leave your comments below about what other topics you'd like us to cover. And, as always, we appreciate your support. I encourage you to check out the hilarious Steve Martin video about Don't Buy Stuff You Can't Afford, from Saturday Night Live from 9 years ago. The link is included below.